Hello everyone, this is Kali Hassan, and today I wanted to talk about how to convert or make an invoice using Airtable and convert it to PDF. So we'll be using an Airtable base for this automation. I created a sample gym membership base which has a subscription model, which runs on a subscription model that renews every month or every 3 months. So if you have a similar business and you want to automate all of your invoices, then this could be a very useful tutorial for you. So I'm going through the basics here, just selecting the Airtable base, the label fields, when it triggers, as well as selecting the views. You're going to leave the formula fields alone. Now, basically, if you want to create an invoice or automatically create an invoice, you must have an invoice ready in Google Docs. So what I did here was basically download a sample invoice and created a template out of it. I'll be showing you later on how to use the template. So right now, you cannot see any fields where you can enter the data that you want to. So what you can do here is basically number one, just enter all of your data, your name, your company's name, and the address and phone numbers. These are your constants. However, things like your customer names and their address will be dynamic. So what we're doing here is we're simply adding curly brackets to the fields that we want to be dynamic or we want to change frequently. Now that we're almost done with it, we can head on back over to make our Airtable and ensure that all of our fields are correct. So right now, if you come back to our module, we'll see that new fields are created within this module where you can enter your data. So now you can dynamically change your dates, invoices, your customer names, as well as all the other information that you want to put in. And now once we have all of that set up, we can simply save our module and move on to the next step of the process. Now we're going to try to run the module, and if everything's fine, you should be able to see a new document in your Google Drive with all of the information that you just sent. And now that we've successfully transferred all of that data to a new template file, we are going to simply convert that document into a PDF file because um, initially your documents will come as a doc file. So we're just going to find the create a doc module. My bad. I think we need to get another module for this one. Essentially, we've chosen download a document. We're going to enter the document ID that we received from the last module and simply choose PDF as the type. We're also going to add an Airtable module and attach our new PDF document back to the Airtable base so that we have all of our documents in one place. We will need to convert the document before we actually send it to Airtable. So I'm just going to add a pdf.co module in between and repeat the process. What the pdf.co module does is that it creates a new URL for your document, and since Airtable can't directly receive a file, it needs to create a URL before it can receive your PDF document. So we're going to try and run the module and see if that works. Now if we go back to our base, we can see that there's a new attachment. You can download it and check it out and see if that works. Additionally, if you want to send your invoice directly to your customer, then you can also do that through Airtable. Airtable has its own set of automations. So basically what we're doing is when a record matches condition, that is whenever Airtable finds that there is an attachment to the invoices field, it's going to trigger and perform a set of actions. So what I'm doing is using the Gmail send email action and choosing the Airtable record that I want to send. For the subject, you can write something like your invoice, and then write a message like, hey, your invoice is ready, something like that. Since this is a test, I kept my message very simple, but you can do whatever you want. And don't forget to add an attachment. Before sending, I'm just going to select my Gmail account for this. And once we are ready, we'll run a test and see if that works. Perfect. Now, as you can see, Airtable automatically sent an email. And we've perfectly set up an automated invoice using Airtable and Make. Thank you for watching.